So, what were your expectations from this conference for today?
See, I'm part of the organizing team. 400 plus delegate in cable wire conference is very high as compared to last year. Last 4 years back when we did, we had delegates around 300 plus. So there are a lot of people who have come out after the COVID, and I think this is the first largest meeting for IEEMA, physical meeting which is happening. And as far as papers are concerned, whatever papers were presented today were very good and excellent. And tomorrow also there are good papers. So our expectation was very high, and it has been fulfilled our expectation.
What are your future industrial outlook for wire and cable industry?
See, wire and cable industry last year was around 55,000 crore. We expect it to grow at a CAGR of about 10 to 11%. And besides that, there are a lot of export market which has opened out. And after the problem with China, US and even European companies are looking out for India as an alternate to China. So this 11% also can grow up provided we produce quality product and the capacity goes up.
Sir, can you please highlight the safety and sustainability issues in the wire and cable industry?
See, I do not know about the wire and cable industry. I am from APAR. We are serious about the sustainability thing in our factory. So all our factories, maybe it's cable, conductor, or for that matter, my oil division, we are serious about it, and we are monitoring on quarterly basis on the carbon emission.
Is as the current scenarios of the wire and cable industry are quite challenging due to the sharp rise in the inputs cost and the supply chain disruption since lockdown. So how can the industry come back on the fast track growth?
See, the metal prices had gone up during COVID. Now it has come down. It is getting stable. And at the same time, there was a lull in first quarter. Second quarter onwards, we are seeing demand in the market. And I hope that this continues.